Alright, so this setup is probably the most awkward setup ever because I'm sitting at Cold Stone and I'm recording and people are still passing by and looking at me very weird. But I'm gonna overcome this. I will win this. Anyway, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back, MTG here with another episode. And today I'm here to talk about Google's upcoming flagship, the Google Pixel 3, and it's going to be the best smartphone that we're going to get in the later half of 2018. Now, starting off with specs, Google Pixel 3, we're probably going to expect, well, according to leaks, they say 4 gigs of RAM, and in 2018 standards, that's a little too low. I mean, come on, OnePlus 6 has 8 gigabytes of RAM. Why are you looking at it? They're still in there. Anyway, OnePlus 6 has 8 gigabytes of RAM, and the performance on that is amazing. Like, look at MKBHD. He used to use Google Pixel 2 as his main driver, but now he switched to OnePlus 3 or OnePlus 6. Why? Because of performance. The performance on the OnePlus 6 is insane. Very smooth, very fast, and Pixel 2 has been lagging. 4 gigs of RAM, it was great, 2017, 2016, but it just doesn't cut it in 2018 anymore. We're expecting 6 gigs of RAM at least in the Note 9. Why not put in 6 gigs of RAM in the Pixel 3 and 3 XL? The minimum standard for RAM in the OnePlus 6 is 6 gigabytes of RAM. They put 8 gigs. I believe I remember reading an article that there was a phone with 10 gigs of RAM. I'd have to find the article and let you guys know later on. But 10 gigs of RAM on a smartphone, that is insane. Like, that is just, that's insane. Like, 10 gigs of RAM. But anyway, I hope we get 6 gigs of RAM in Google's upcoming flagship. Snapdragon 845 is probably going to be the chip that we're going to see in the Pixel 3. It's definitely going to have that amazing camera. Google Pixel has by far the best camera and only has a single lens. Now, I don't think, with recent leaks especially, I don't think we're going to get dual lens with the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. I mean, honestly, Google already perfected with the Pixel 2. We don't really need a second lens, do we? We don't. That's other companies like Samsung and Apple. Honestly, you can do everything. If Google can do it, then Samsung and Apple and every other company can do it with a single lens. Now, we're definitely not getting a headphone jack, which is a bummer. I mean, nowadays, like, I use Bluetooth. My phone has a headphone jack. I use my headphone jack. I've been using it more often now, but I still use Bluetooth more often. And stereo speakers, I hope we continue that with the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. The last generation, they had stereo speakers really good. A lot of smartphones nowadays, the S9, the iPhone 10, they all have stereo speakers, amazing quality, and that's what you need in 2019. Now with display, Google is probably going to go the way up the notch. OnePlus 6 has went that way, iPhone 10, Huawei P20 Pro. We're seeing a lot of companies go that way. That's like the next step to bezel-less display. Getting rid of like the display, we have to go through the notch. We're going to put a little sensors in the front-facing camera and things like that. Now, Oppo Find X, never mind. That should be a different video. But they found a way to get rid of the whole display. But they have like mechanical parts. Okay, let's not even go in there. But Google Pixel 3 with like this type of package, if we get 6 gigs of RAM, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, better camera obviously, and obviously a better display. I hope we don't get that OLED problem, the POLED problem that we had with the Pixel 2 XL. Then we're looking at one amazing device. We're going to get Android P beta. Why am I saying beta? We're going to get Android P stock. We're going to get updates on the go. We're going to be the first ones to get updates, because it's coming straight from Google. It's something to look forward to. Now, release date we're expecting October. That's when we got it with the Pixel and the Pixel 2. So around October 2018 is when we can expect the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. Price-wise, it's probably going to be based the same as the Pixel 2 and 2 XL, although I feel like the 3 XL is going to be a little more expensive, probably going to creep up into that $1,000 territory, going to be heavily rivaling against the iPhone 10 and the Galaxy Note 9. That's kind of a bummer, but what can you do sometimes? I believe that this is going to be the best smartphone of 2018. I just hope that they do update RAM to 6 gigs, and that would definitely increase performance a lot. But let me know what you guys think, what you guys want to see in the Google Pixel 3 XL. Be sure to comment down below, be sure to Superman that like button, and best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time everybody, this is MTG.